We are going to change the winter tires to these tires. We have 4 spring and summer tires. I'm going to remove the covers. I'm going to load this tire all the way to the car. This is the last tire that I'm going to load to the vehicle. Right here means it's in the tires in the right side in the back, and left front means it's in the left side in the front. We are going to rotate the tires to fix the car, and right here go becomes left front, and left front becomes right here. We are doing this rotation because it's good for the tires. Now my dad will be removing tires. I will be helping him. We are going to lift the car so that we can put the remove the tires. These are the tools to change the tires of the car. This is a jack to lift the car. This is a breaker bar to remove the nuts for the first time. This is a blend to remove the nuts completely. And these are the nuts to put on. Put a block in all 3 tires so that the car will not roll down to the lawn. So, you have to loose the nuts before you lift the car completely. Now my dad is lifting the car with the jack, and you need kids are not allowed, only adults are allowed. First, you need to loosen the nuts before you completely lift with the breaker bar. The car is completely lifted and the tire is up. You have to remove the nuts with the length. We are going to do it in a star pattern like this. We remove the front tire. Don't go close by, it is dangerous. Kids don't go in closer. We remove the winter tire and put the summer tire. Like this, we will do all 4 tires. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next videos. Bye.